Today's lesson is solving equations by graphing. You should at this point know how to solve an equation by algebra, and I am going to review that. However, when the worksheet or the assessment says solve equations by graphing, that is what you should do. You should not use algebra. First, we're going to review how to solve by using algebra. So, here's the equation. First thing I will do is subtract 2x from both sides. I get 30 equals 3x plus 18. Subtract 18 from both sides. I get 12 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. I get 4 equals x. Check step. 2 times 4 plus 30 equals 5 times 4 plus 18. 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 30. 5 times 4 is 20, 20 plus 18. 8 plus 30 equals 38. 20 plus 18 equals 38. Those two are the same. The check step shows that I am correct. Let's move on. Before, that was solving by algebra. Now you are going to learn how to solve by graphing. Here is the equation. It has two sides. We're going to graph each side independently. First, 3/4 is m and b is -2. So I will go here, we'll go to -2. Since the slope is 3/4, I'm going over 4 and up 3, over 4 and up 3. Notice 3/4 is less than 1, so it goes up less than it goes to the right. 3/4, 3/4, and 3/4. Draw the line through all those points. But we're not done. We have to go in the other direction. 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4, 3/4. Notice how this goes left and down. Left and down is negative, negative. Negative, negative is positive. Every point on that line is a solution to that side of the equation. Y equals 3/4 x minus 2. For example, if I take a look here, I see -4, -5. -4 divided by 4 is -1. -1 times 3 is -3. -3 minus 2 is -5. See how that solves that equation? It comes out to the way that that point works out. Now I'm going to graph the other equation. I want to change colors just so you can tell the difference. -2/3 plus 15. So first we'll go up to plus 15, put a dot. 2/3 is less than 1, so 3 over and 2 down because it's -2/3. So down, not up. -2/3, -2/3, -2/3, -2/3, -2/3. Draw the line in that direction. -2/3, -2/3. It's negative because it's left and up. Left is negative, up is positive. Negative and positive makes negative. This is m, this is b. Every point on that line is a solution to that side of the equation. For example, 0, 15. -2/3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 15 is 15. 0, 15. Every point on this line, on this line, is a solution to this side. Every point on this line is a solution to this side. We want something that is a solution to both sides, so we want a point that is on both lines. Where is the point that is on both lines? Right here. It's the point of intersection. The point of intersection tells you what the solution to both sides of the equation is. That point is at +12, +7. So then you write the solution as +12, +7, and you write it in xy coordinate system. This is x, this is y. However, you're not done. You must check it. So we put 12 into the equation. 3/4 times 12, and I'm using 12 because 12 is x, minus 2 equals negative 2/3 times 12 plus 15. Okay, 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This turns into 9 minus 2. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 15. 9 minus 2 is 7. Negative 8 plus 15 is 7. They are the same number, and they're not just the same number. They are this number. So x is 12 and y is 7, and that is the solution. 12/7 is the solution to this equation. And that's how you find a solution using a graph. I'd like to do one more example. Okay, step 1, graph the left side. So 4 and 2/5. Positive 4, positive 4. 2/5, so 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 2/5 is less than 1. Go up less, then you go to the right. More to the right than it is down. 5, 2, draw the line. Go in the other direction. 5, 2, 5, 2, negative, negative is positive. 5, 2, 5, 2. So that was 2/5 x plus 4. Negative 7, negative 1/3. So negative 7, negative 1/3 means 3 and 1. And down instead of up because it's negative 1/3. Right is positive, down is negative. That makes it negative. Okay, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3. Draw the line all the way through, put an arrow. Negative 1/3, still negative. Left negative, up positive. Negative positive is negative. Negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3, negative 1/3. Draw the line. Find the point of intersection. There it is right there. The coordinates of that are 15 left, 2 down. So the solution is negative 15, positive, negative 2. 15 left, 2 down. Check it. 2/5 times negative 15 plus 4 equals negative 1/3 times 15 minus 7. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. Negative 15, so that is positive 5. Negative 15 divided by negative 3 is positive 5. 5 times 1 is positive 5, minus 7. Negative 6 plus 4 equals negative 2. 5 minus 7 equals negative 2. They are equal, and they are that value. Therefore, that is the solution to this equation. This is the type of work that I expect you to show. I want to see the graph of each equation. I want to see you circling the point of intersection. I want you to write down the coordinates of the point of intersection, and I want you to show me the check step. That's everything for now. I hope you understand. Send me a message if you have any questions. That's it.